Good morning, Mommy. Happy Easter.
Hey, Addison. Can you wave?
You wave.
Hey, Addison.
Yeah. How did the bunny get here?
I don't know.
You think that's some stuff for you?
Hey, this is toothbrush. Let me check it out.
Just take your basket down.
You wanna get it then?
Wow, it's Sesame Street.
Sesame Street toothbrush. It's electric, right?
Get Addison's run.
Wow. Cool.
Addison.
Go to my house.
Move, dogs.
Hey, look what I got.
Careful, careful,
What's in it?
careful.
Let's see what's in it.
Maybe Daddy should help you.
Ooh.
You can have one piece.
You want one piece? For breakfast? I think that's the general idea with the eggs, because they got a bunch of candy in it. You have a ball like that?
Drop it on the floor. Addison just dropped hers. Drop it.
Cool.
Flashes.
Mm-hmm.
You know what this is?
What?
You know what that is?
Turn it over.
Pirate.
It says tattoos. Whole bunch of tattoos.
Can I try mine?
It says motorcycle tattoos. Cool.
I tried to touch you on.
Yes, we'll get some after a little bit.
After church.
Well, we're not gonna let you wear the tattoo.
Oh,
No.
And you got a bunny.
all right.
What are you gonna name your bunny?
How about Jacob?
Jacob? Works for me.
You already had a J week. You won't be going to school. You think that other bunny's Addison's? Give the other one to Addison. It's got wings. Not that one. That's yours. The stuffed bunny.
Chocolate bunny. You can't have your chocolate bunny. Here.
Which one?
Here, give it this.
Look at Daddy's got it.
Well, I just
Mm.
Are you sure it's in Hey, I got one.
Look, it's another hippo.
It's attached. We'll have to cut that off for
Easter bunny
you.
got your new hippo because you like your other hippo so much. Or you like
I
red
want to
hippos so much.
sleep with him tonight.
All right.
Okay. Probably arrange that. We'll
What's
see.
his name, Rhett? Show me. What's his name?
Jacob.
Jacob the bunny. Where'd you get that name?
From Show and Tell.
Show and tell.
Was it the song you listened to at school?
Yeah. It's called Peter Cottontail. We're not the bunny trail.
Haven't heard Jacob yet.
Jacob went down the hall. Hopping down into the hall. He wants to see his friends, but Alan was the whole time. And he brought
You still haven't seen all your toys.
She's like, he's got more.
Because there's always treats. And then
It's chaotic in here.
and then I get a mom.
pull it.
bunnies. Every day. Get up
Tina,
on
move.
to away. Chocolate is good.
She's like kind of freaks me.
Lay off me. She's getting it.
Dum, bum. Hey, this is a
I
basketball.
think she's trying to make it light.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. It's a basketball shaped of an egg.
Yeah. How about a baseball egg? Ow. That's funny. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine, right, Daddy?
That's right, Red.
No.
Addison, you have eggs in your basket.
That's good.
Hey, how about this football egg? Ow. This is funny.
That's funny.
What's Daddy, can you open
That
this?
makes a little more sense. It's at least the football's kind of shaped like an egg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Ooh.
Ooh, chocolate.
How one piece.
No. After breakfast.
I knew where that was going, Red.
Daddy, can you cut my carrot off?
Cut that. Here.
Watch this. This is a toothbrush.
Tegan, move.
Chocolate.
Oh, leg.
And even tree.
Addison, did you get some
And
peeps?
a motorcycle tattoo.
Wow.
And the ball. The bounce.
A box of sugar. Oh boy. Here's the money. Okay, good.
What the moon? I like my son. He's so nice.
Is he?
Mhm.
He's soft.
He wants some love.
So do I. I haven't gotten a hug this morning.
My Easter bunny wants some love. Okay.
I want some love. I haven't gotten a hug this morning.
Now give him some
Oh,
love.
Reddy's so soft. This isn't the Easter bunny. This is Jacob.
Yeah.